best example I can give is on the continent today, we have at least 6 deputy governors of central banks who are women. What does it mean? Bringing women to the top leadership of central banks, it values the expertise, the experience, the leadership skills which women bring to have a much broader understanding of what society needs in terms of financial inclusion. At the central bank level, we learned also that where the governors take the lead, they review the regulatory role of the central bank. They give instructions to commercial banks in 2 aspects: to have disaggregated data by gender, and to report in their quarterly reporting to the central bank. They have to indicate what is the progress they've been making in terms of disaggregating data and also increasing the assets to women by financial services. And sometimes they even go as deep to say how you can have more women in boards and exports. Nigeria is a good example if someone would like to follow that. From the central bank, it was given the instructions all commercial banks have to have at least 30% of women in their boards. So this is another aspect which is important, is central banks, at least with the women who are deputies, they are conducting research to understand even better the needs of services and products which women do need. So there are many ways in which having women at the central level it changes completely the role of a central banks. Women are good managers. Even when you say they are poor, just the fact that they can manage the small resources they have to keep their families going, feeding families, sending children to school, paying for health bills, etc. It means they do have management skills and control over financial resources which are extraordinary. Except that this is left to be at the so-called informal sector. So the added value for the financial institutions, for our economies, is exactly to bring that ability which women do have, bring it to the formal system. Because business is going to thrive. Financial systems are going to have much more clients, and clients who always pay. Women always pay, they don't default. So banks are going to make better business. Our economies are going to do also better because once a woman has a financial ID, she is already part of what you can call formal economy, and it will weigh in our GDPs. Third, when women are empowered, families and society and communities are empowered. So we all just have to gain with this. And it's absolutely absurd that it takes time for people to understand the advantage of including women through the financial institutions, to include them in the formal economy, because we all are going to gain. No one is going to lose.